Guys, this is another platform I just tested and withdraw today, and it's so amazing. I invested today, okay, my investment. I invested today and I tested this thing today. It is really working. Okay, let me show you my withdrawal today. Okay, can you see this side? Okay, I just tested it. Okay, immediately I just tested it today. I've withdrawn one two today, so they removed their charges. I think I received one. Okay, alright, this is my alert phone. This is my alert phone. Flutterwave Technology Limited. Okay, this is my alert phone. I received 1,020 naira. They removed. I think they removed. Is that 180 or so? Okay, they removed that. Alright, don't rush. Let me show you. It is working. I joined today. Don't forget, I joined today. Okay, risk what you think you can risk. Okay, I'm not a financial expert. Okay, I'm just giving you what works and how you can make your money. The last video I did on Cisco, people are investing. Okay, people are making their money, but if you don't have the capacity, please don't try it. Don't borrow to invest. That is the advice I can give to you. So let's dive into the so once you click the link, you're going to see these two options. Okay, once you see these two options, just go for one of the options. Okay, once you go, click on it. Very simple, very easy. I'm not doing anything, no investment. There's investment, sorry. No task. Okay, I'm not doing tax, so you're going to get 70% of your money. Let me see, is it logged into my account? So if you take it to where you're going to, you sign up, not sign, you sign up with your number, put a password, make sure my referral code is showing. Once that is done, it will take you to the can you see it? Okay, you sign up, click on the sign up, please. You sign up, it will bring a captcha. Enter that captcha, your mobile number, remove the first 0 from your mobile number. Okay, my referral link is there, it must be there. Set your password, any password you have. Okay, you sign up. Okay, you see those two links you saw the other time, because conjunction, so you can use any of the two links. Your details are reserved. So once you sign up, all right, so once you sign up, you are going to get 200 naira welcome bonus. Immediately you sign up, you are going to get, I've withdrawn my own. Okay, you can see the balance section here. You can see the balance section. I'm going to get 200 naira upon. Okay, you can see this side. I'm going to get 200 naira upon registration. So what you just need to do, look at everything here. Look at your capacity. The higher it is, the better. You can see 960,000 naira. You can invest that. Okay, all right, and you have 500 days. That 500 days does not mean you have to wait until 500 days. No, it means you continue making money for 500 days unless you change your investment level. So just click on any of the invest. I've invested in the first one. Just click on it. It will take you to a page where you're going to pay the money. Make sure you leave it open. Go and open your app. Follow the instruction. Open your app. Pay the money. You come back here. Okay. So please, if you have any difficulty, make sure you message me. Okay. So once you pay, you make a payment here. Okay. You let it load. And once you make a payment, you click on invest now. You make payment. Once you make payment, you are going to see something there like an instruction. Click on that instruction. Okay. Once you click on that instruction, please select channel. This is channel I'm using. If I use channel A or channel B, both will work. So once you click on invest now, load. I want to show you. It will give you an account number where you are going to make payment. Okay, and see daily profit of 810. You can make money as far as possible as you want. So let's see how it goes. So a service. Okay, so immediately you make payments, you are going to click the app make payment. Okay, so it will load. Okay, so if the loading persists, okay, just go back. Once you know you have made payment and like 5 minutes it's still loading, just go back. Okay, go back to the front where you are going to see. Okay, so once you go back, you can just go back. So once you go back, okay, check your order. Once you check your order, you are going to see the amount of money you have invested, and immediately you invest. Note that time, because it's after 24 hours you can surely withdraw your money. After 24 hours, okay, your money will be in the balance. 70% of your investment, 70%. Okay, it's a Ponzi scheme. Okay, and I do say something. Okay, the earlier you start, the better. I'm not assuring you that this thing will run forever. Okay, so the earlier you start, I started today and I did withdrawal and I can prove it. Okay, this is your referral link. You can copy it. If you refer, you are going to receive 21%. Okay, what I withdrew today was my referral money. Okay, you can refer, you are going to earn. Okay, so don't tell people even on net. Okay, they are all trying to make ends meet. So please invest what you think you can lose. All right, 4827, you can still do that. Okay, 96, depends. Don't borrow money to invest. That is my candid advice. Once you have done that, go to your team, withdraw. If you want to withdraw, you're going to do your binding. Go to more. Can you see? Download the app. Telegram. Join their channel, please. Join their channel. Referral team, or your inviting me. You can invite your name. This is where I'm going. Back in banking info. Please fill your bank. This is my own account. Fill your bank here, please. Fill your bank details. Once you have fill your bank details, okay, that's very easy. Once you fill your bank details, any money withdraw will be automatically given to you because you can work around it. Okay, so guys, if you have found this helpful, okay, make sure you come drop your withdrawal evidence, drop it for me. Let's encourage other people to make money at this season. If you have data connection and everything, you can make money very easily. Invest what you think will not harm you. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell, turn it on, and you are going to see more of these opportunities.